1 to that 39 I am doing, and then 39 to 50 solution you are having with you, and then I will proceed ahead. Again I will send few solution today. So 1 to 75 you will prepare for your test, not more than that. Is it clear? For test what you will prepare?
Yes, sir.
For Sunday's test, prepare from dimension part 1 to 75, or 1 to 100 you will be able to manage. No, it
We
will.
might try.
Today till 55 complete, tomorrow 70. Yes, you can manage 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Now 31 I am explaining to you how to do. The dimension of quantity E square upon epsilon naught HC is. Any of you know what is E?
So it's dimensionless.
E is charge of electron, which is having dimension of IT. What is E? Electron. Charge is
Charge
having
of
unit.
electrons.
So charge is having unit coulomb. That means it will have dimension. So E square is same as charge Q square. This is same as IT, the whole square. So it will become A2 T2. E square, okay? Now
Yes, sir.
for epsilon, F is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. So epsilon 1 upon 4 pi F Q1 Q2 upon R square. So epsilon dimension will be this charge A1 P1, A1 P1. F is M1 L1 T minus 2 into L2. That means M minus 1. L 1 and 2, 3 goes up minus 3 time P1 P2 minus 2 goes up 4 A2. H is Planck's constant. Its unit is Joule second. Joule second means energy wala. M1 L2 T minus 2 into T1. That is M1 L2 T minus 1. C is the speed, which is meter per second. Everybody has followed this 4 quantity ka dimension individually.
Yes, sir.
Just copy till this, then I will combine them.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Now I'm just combining all. E square epsilon naught HC. I'm combining and getting the final answer. E square epsilon naught HC in denominator. E square, therefore E square epsilon naught HC will have dimension equal to A square T square upon M minus 1 L minus 3 T4 A2, and H is M1 L2 T minus 1, C is L1 T minus 1. So only 30 sum I will give tomorrow because this part is lengthy. That means you can't complete sum if all are of this part in stipulated time. So only 30 sum will be given to you. Okay. Now M minus 1 and M plus
Sir,
1.
everything gets cancelled.
It is getting cancelled. Let us check. M minus 1,
Yes.
M plus 1 will become M0. Yes, it will get cancelled. So M will become M0. L1, where is L1, L1, L1? No. L2, L3, yes, cancel. Very good. Then T. Minus 1 is minus 2. Plus 4 is 2. Goes up 0. Yes. A also 0. Everything is getting cancelled.
Option B.
Yes. Option B. Correct. Option B. Correct one.
Done, sir.
Okay, coming. So option B was the answer. 32. Dimensional formula for magnetic field. I feel you can do this. Magnetic field means B. How will you start? F equal to QVB. So B equal to F upon QV. Can you do this?
Yes, sir. We can.
Please try.
Sir, option A.
Option A, M1, L not present, T minus 2. Yes, very good. See, I have written on the screen also. Everybody got this answer?
Yes.
Okay, do. 33. The quantity RC and L upon R RLC stands for resistance, inductance and capacitance respectively will have dimension of what? See, RC has got dimension of time. L upon R also has got dimension of time. Let us see how. R means resistance. Resistance is potential upon current. R is V upon I. Capacitance C is charge upon voltage. Or if you can by heart, RC is same as time. VV gets cancelled. Q is IT upon I. So it is equivalent to time. L unit is ohm second. R unit is ohm. Second cancel. Ohm cancel. So second, that means it is also equivalent to time. So both are equal to dimension of time. So option D. Very important one. RC time, L upon R time. RC time, L upon R time. This you by heart in your mind. Over 33?
Yes, sir. Done.
34 is new sum. Electron mobility. It is denoted by letter mu. Its formula is Vd upon E. This Vd means it is called drift velocity. Actually, it will come in chapter called current electricity. And this is called E, electric field. Write this much. Formula write down, drift velocity upon E.
Done till
Chalo. Next line, how to get, we'll see. They want unit. See, they don't want dimension, they want unit this time. What is unit of velocity?
meters per second.
Correct, you are right, meter per second. Its SI unit is meter per second. Electric field you might not know right now. Electric field is voltage upon distance, दो formula है उसका, और force upon charge. This we will study in chapter called electrostatics. See. So unit is meter per second for velocity. This is voltage per meter. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is meter per second. Electric field is voltage upon meter. So meter raised to -1 every time. Meter per second, voltage. So this M goes up, you will get meter square. M
Meters
minus
per second. per
second
second
raised to
per
minus 1,
voltage.
voltage raised to minus 1. Is it option A?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the answer. Option A.
Done, sir.
Next one. $35. The time period T of vibration of liquid drop depends upon, time period depends upon density rho of the liquid, radius r of the drop, surface tension F. Then expression of T is equal to what? Okay. So whenever it is given depends upon, that means they want us to find formula. So I will write here power XYZ. First line, any doubt? Time depends upon means proportional to density, radius, surface tension, power XYZ. So T is K rho R S power XYZ. Equation 1. Then we find dimension of left hand side is T1, or we can say M0 L0 T1. Then later we will equate power of same basis, get that power of XYZ. M1 L0 T1. K is dimensionless. Density is mass upon volume power X. Radius L raised to Y. Surface tension means, here write down somewhere, otherwise you'll forget. Surface tension S is force upon length. So it is M1 L1 upon L will become L0 T minus 2 raised to Z. Just check till this, any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Not
sir.
Okay. So M0 L0 T1 M power X plus Z L power minus 3X plus Y T power only minus 2Z. Therefore X plus Z is 0, minus 3X plus Y is also 0, minus 2Z is 1. So since minus 2Z is 1, therefore Z equals to minus 1 by 2. So we got Z value minus 1 by 2. Therefore from 2, X plus minus half is 0. X equals to 1 by 2. From 3, minus 3X plus Y is 0. Minus 3 into 1 by 2 plus Y is 0. Y will become plus 3 upon 2. Therefore, T is K rho raised to X, that is half, R raised to Y, that is 3 by 2, S raised to Z, that is minus half. Please copy till this. Then one line it will take for simplification.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we'll formulate in proper way. Everybody is done. Can I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So T equals to K, rho raised to half, do you know half means power is root? Half power means
Yes, sir.
root. Okay.
Yes.
So rho raised to half, r raised to 3 raised to half upon s negative I made here. So this all half can be written as root of rho r cube upon s. Clear?
Yes.
Hello? So option will be A. A.
Done, sir.
Okay. Thirty-sixth. Mu naught I upon MB dimension. I means moment of inertia. I is moment of inertia. And moment of inertia unit is kg meter square. So dimension will be M1 L2. Capital M is called as dipole moment. This is defined as product of magnetic length into pole strength. Magnetic length is L1 and pole strength unit can also be written as Weber. In this one, this is very important. We can also write in Weber. Just copy only this much.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Now this is L1. Weber comes. Weber किधर बताओ आपको? This Weber is nothing but area into field B. ये थोड़ा difficult है topic. Area into B. B means this B. L1, area means L2, B वाला याद है क्या डायमेंशन? फोर्स अपॉन QV याद है?
Yes, sir. M1
हाँ,
L0 T minus 2 A minus 1.
M1 L0 T minus
T minus 2 A
हाँ
minus 1.
A minus 1. Okay, that means it is M1 L3 T minus 2 A minus 1. Please copy also till this. Weber means for flux. Flux is area into B, and B you did, so you could tell me directly. After practice, don't worry, you will remember. ये टाइम होने वाला है, थोड़ी देर के बाद समझेगा. First time you are doing all, बाद में आपको याद हो जाएगा. That is what you did in the last exam. You are remembering many things. Can I clear full? Now only I read mu naught and B.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. We know that. We know that means we will know further, not first chapter में. B is also given as mu naught, number of turns upon length into current I for a wire. So mu naught upon B, direct I will get. L upon Ni, shortcut हो जाएगा. I means current. So mu naught upon B dimension is length L1. Number of turns has got no dimension. Current I, this is current I. I is current. Current is A1. So we get L1 A minus 1. Now, therefore, mu naught I upon MB dimension will be L1 A minus 1. This I moment of inertia, which is M1 L2, and M we got as M1 L3 T minus 2 A minus 1. Therefore, M1 M1 cancel. L1 L2 is L3, that also cancel. A minus 1 cancel. So it becomes T raised to 2. That means it is time ka square. Right. So if you are not comfortable till 100, I will restrict to 75 because it will take time for you to practice.
Yes, sir. Because
Only 1 to
this
75
Sunday
is
we
okay?
also have. Yes, sir. Because this Sunday we also have chemistry ka theory test.
Better don't worry about that because we are regularly studying. Huh?
Yes, sir.
See, some days it may come 3 tests you may have. And in your final exam, you will have all the 3 tests together, no, in entrance. I will restrict to 75 because I feel that it is slightly tough. 1 to 75. This much so you can manage to get full mark. Monday, I will give planner of the month. That means in remaining days of June, what we are going to complete. Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
Krisha, read next one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dimensions of L upon RCV are so that will be ohms second.
बस बेटा बस चलेगा अभी नाउ से ये सब नया नया टर्म है किधर सुना ही नहीं हम लोग ने अभी तक बट वी नो समथिंग L by R is it time only ohm second upon ohm that means time correct
Yes, sir.
C is Q upon V into V gets cancelled so
Yes,
we get
sir.
yeah we get time second means time upon charge Q is IT ET cancel I means A1 goes up A minus 1 that's it khatam once I know how easy it is see A raised to minus 1 option A
Sir, now can we do it like RC we already know that is nothing but time, right? So we can directly write it as time and then into velocity ka thing.
no RC is time but L by R L is left out na?
Okay, sir.
Either you take L by R as time or you take RC as time na?
Okay, sir.
If it is R square then you are perfect then R I will split as R into R na R square
Yes, sir. Understood.
Gauravi
Yes, sir.
any doubt
No, sir.
okay completed 37th
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now I told from 38 to 50 I have given you solution so you go through it if doubt is there you will ask I'm coming to 51
Even from 39, I guess.
39 से गया दिया
Yes, sir. 39.
चलो फिर 38 I will explain 38 which of the following pairs have same dimensional formula for both quantities same formula for both quantities kinetic energy and torque same है ना energy is force into displacement ये भी force into displacement तो same है ना दोनों का
Yes.
Yes, sir.
then resistance R and L they are definitely not same because one is ohm other is ohm second not same
Yes, sir.
third Young's modulus and pressure Young's modulus is denoted by Y and pressure P both are same because any modulus is like pressure only what is the answer C
Option C, 1 and 3.
1 and 3 only do. One and three only. After this, we'll jump to 51.
Done, sir.
Okay. 51. Can you read 51?
In case of an electromagnetic wave, the radiation pressure has the dimensions of.
Okay. In case of electromagnetic wave,
Sir, have you erased the screen?
pardon?
have you erased the screen?
No,
Because
nothing.
if you have here,
Screen is
because
start.
here it's
Huh? What?
no, you have shared, but because the screen is free, so I'm asking just if
No,
you have cleared.
no, I'm not clear. Can't you see 3738 is written?
Yes, sir, you have written, but I thought you were writing the 50% also.
In case of electromagnetic wave, radiation pressure is. Are you knowing what is radiation pressure?
No, sir.
It is also called as energy density. That is option B. In case of electromagnetic wave, radiation pressure is also called as energy density. This is again theory. Once we do that chapter, then you will ask, sir, so simple we did in that chapter. 52. Chronometer is used to measure. Chronometer is used to measure. What is used?
Distance.
Pardon? Distance?
Answer is distance.
I don't know, it may be right also
Yes.
sometimes. But what is used to measure time?
Seconds.
No, that is quantity, na? Instrument.
Stopwatch.
Stopwatch, correct?
Yes.
Stopwatch, correct. Stopwatch. Here they are telling what is chronometer used to measure. What is second given?
Mass.
Third one?
Density.
Density.
Next one?
And
Distance.
distance.
Okay, so distance के लिए तो है नहीं है, mass के लिए भी नहीं है. Actually, it is the device used to measure time of some fixed location using. Have you heard about GMT? Greenwich Mean Time.
Yes, sir.
Geography. Have you heard?
Yes, sir.
Acha.
Yes,
So with
sir.
respect to that, how much a country is ahead or behind, that is measured by chronometer. So write down, it is used to measure time. Chronology word you have heard any time? Chronology.
Yes, sir.
What is meaning of
Yes,
chronology?
in history,
In some order, na?
periods of time.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in some order. So countries are arranged in some order of GMT. That's why it is called chronometer. Used to measure time. 53, I want you should try on your own if you can. 53. F equal to A sin CT plus B cos dx. Then find dimension of A upon B and C upon D. Is it tum wala sum? Tum wala sum?
Yes.
Okay, Ganesh, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just see. This sine wala चीज का dimension क्या है? Dimensionless ना?
Yes, sir.
So can I say CT is dimensionless? Therefore, C dimension is 1 upon T. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That is T minus 1. We are interested in A upon B and C upon D. Now, this whole term, this whole, is it same as F?
Yes, sir.
But this is dimensionless. So F is A. Correct?
Yes.
A ka dimension is same as F ka dimension. This whole thing is dimensionless cosine. So B is also same as F.
Yes.
So A upon B will become F upon F. Means no dimension. M0 L0 T0
Dimensionless.
dimensionless. C upon D both are dimensionless. 9. C is T minus 1 and dx is dimensionless. Therefore, d is 1 upon x. That is nothing but L minus 1. So C upon D dimension will be T
Meters
minus
per
1
second.
upon L minus 1. That will become L1 T minus 1. Check. Do we have this option? M0 L0, yes, given in option C, and L1 T minus 1. Option C, 53, option C. (53) option is C. Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
54. Dimension of coefficient of viscosity. बहुत बार आता है एग्जाम में. Dimension of coefficient of viscosity we got from this formula. If you all have remembered, I had given this formula. याद है? Eta is called coefficient of viscosity. So this will be F into dx upon A into dv. F means m1 L1 T minus 2 and dx is L1, area is L2, dv is meter per second. So we get m1 L1 L1 L2 के साथ cancel, L minus 1 T minus 1 is answer. M1 L minus 1 T minus 1. Option A. Shall I clear? 54.
Just a minute.
55. If K is kinetic energy, V is velocity, T is time, selected as fundamental unit, what is then dimensional formula for surface tension? Okay. So it depends upon KVT, power x, y, z. Surface tension means force upon length. Kinetic energy is m1 L2 T minus 2 raised to x meter per second raised to y time t raised to z. So this is m1 L1 T minus 2 upon L1 depending upon m raised to x L raised to 2x plus y t raised to minus 2x plus z. So m1 L0 t minus 2 is m power x L power 2x plus y t raised to minus 2x plus z. Therefore x is 1. 2x plus y is 0. Minus 2x plus z is minus 2. Therefore 2x plus 1 0, sorry, 2x is 2 into 1 plus y is 0. So y equals to minus 2. Minus 2x plus z is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 plus z is minus 2. Minus 2 cancel. Z equals to 0. Therefore, S ka dimension will be K raised to x, which is 1, V raised to y, that is minus 2, T raised to 0. Check, we have this. K1, V minus 2, T0. K1, V minus 2, T0. No, nowhere we got some error.
No, sir.
No, nowhere it is given, na? So we might
No,
have
sir.
कुछ तो मिस्टेक हुआ रहेगा ना फिर. M1 L0 T minus 2, ये K kinetic energy M1 L2 T minus 2, T minus 2, therefore minus 2 is बराबर meter per second बराबर time is T, correct. So M raised to x, L raised to 2x plus y minus 2x plus z. Okay, x is 1 by comparing 2x by 1 minus 2x minus 2. X is 1. So 2 into 1 plus y is 0, y equal to minus 2 is also correct. Minus 2x plus z is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 plus z is minus 2. Minus 2x plus z. Minus 2 is 0. K1 is correct. K minus 2 is correct. K minus V minus 2 is also correct. T raised to I have to check. Just write till this, maybe answer printed wrong. There may be some printing error. Afterwards, I will check whether it's printing error, but as per our calculation, we got this as answer. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more for today. Then remaining 20. Again, I will send you the solution. Till 75, you have to prepare. Don't practice more. This only practice again and again. Impedance is nothing but resistance. And resistance, you know how to get. V upon I. Work upon charge into I. Charge is IT into I. That means M1 L2 T minus 2 A2 T1 M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 2. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, do. Please don't practice anything new from 1 to 75. That only practice again and again.
Okay, sir, done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
So best of luck. Try to get better marks than last time. Last time you got very good marks. More than that, try. Because only 30 some out of 75. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.